All right, we're all on a big mission to add more protein into our lives, right? We're understanding more and more how important it is to have more protein. One of the best ways to get protein, eggies. I love eggs. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. That's what I say to Huck every morning. But Decor is a brand out of Australia that really turns our microwaves into cooking vessels, not just something to reheat. And that's what they're doing with this microwave egg and omelet cooker. Now it's new. We started with 8,500, is that right? And now we're down to what, 1,300 last I heard? $18. And it's $3.60 on an easy pay. It's so easy. The colors I have for you are the gray, 500 remain in the gray. Here's the blue, 400 there. Here's your red, 350. And we also have a green, 125. So now we start with over 8,000. Now we have about 1,200. So whether you're making single or double eggs at a time, it has this really kind of cool, unique, rounded shape base that's designed for really even cooking, which is what we want with our eggs. There's a steam release on the lid right here, so nothing's gonna go on you. And it's for cooked eggs, but now you're like minimizing how much you have to clean. Now here's the video. Gave it a little bit of a spray, cracked your eggs, put some water right there in the bottom, boom, boom. And now you're getting a perfectly poached egg. Have you tried to poach an egg before? It's a whole thing with the boiling water and the vinegar and the swirl and getting it just right. But now you have these beautifully poached eggs. Now there's another way to do it. Right into the vessel itself, give it a little bit of spray, give it a little bit of a puncture, and now we're gonna make some really easy, gorgeous sunny side up eggs. But you don't have to mess with it. I love sunny side up. Oh, on a piece of toast. I am a scrambled girl. If you want to make some frittatas would be really nice. You can add your cooked proteins in there, maybe some cooked bacon or some sausage. You scramble it up, you put it in, now voila, you have an omelet. It's so easy. So these little guys are for when you want to do the poached eggs, which isn't possible to do. There's a little guide on the inside, and it's just easy, and everything goes into the dishwasher, which we love from Decor. It's $3.60 on your easy pay. It's K99264, getting very limited across our colors, so I'll take you through again. Here is your, here we go. There we go, there's your red. Here's the blue. Here's the gray. And then we also have a green on QVC.com. $3.60, minimal mess, but the perfect cooked egg every single time that you don't have to baby, that you don't have to watch, that you don't have to like, fingers crossed, is this poached egg gonna work? When you wanna make that really good eggs Benedict, oh, maybe over a crab cake. That's one of my favorite ways, a crab cake Benedict. Here's another little video of just showing all the ways that you can use this. This is for when you're making the poached eggs. You're gonna wanna put some hot water in the bottom, put your cracked egg into the 2 little bowls that come with it, and then add a little bit more hot water, and then boom, just let it poach itself. Put it in the microwave for just a little bit, and then voila, everyone's gonna think you're totally chefed it up. Look at that, over a little English muffin and some bacon. Now, if you just want to make a sunny side up egg, just give it a little bit of a prick right there with the end of a fork. Pop it in the microwave. You can see that it has those steam vents, so nothing is going to explode on you. And then put it over toast, and there you go. But for your omelets, add some cheese, add some cooked meat, and pop it in. I had an omelet this morning with a little bit of pepper jack and a little bit of spinach and some tomatoes. Absolutely delicious. I am weird. Here's a weird thing about me. I love eggs. I love sausage and bacon and all that sort of stuff. I don't like meat in my eggs. Is that weird? I know everybody loves like bacon in their eggs or something. No, put them on their own separate plate. I just want veggies and cheese in my eggs. All right, so this was just introduced. It's new at the end of January, the 26th to be exact. And we started with over 8,000 of them. If you want the red though, fewer than 300 now. In the blue, 350 remain. Gray, fewer than 500. And then the green, 75 remain. So super, super popular. Great for college students in a dorm room or first apartment. Great in a, what's it called? An RV if you have a microwave, because that's really, all you need are eggs and a microwave. So we'll show you how easy it is one more time here. So the impossible poached egg. It's like the impossible dream. You can do it now by just adding some hot water to the bottom of the vessel, adding your eggs to the 2 bowls that come with it, and then adding a little bit more hot water, and then popping it in the microwave for just like a minute, and voila. Look at that perfectly poached egg. Instead of having that pot where you have to swirl it and then add the vinegar and get it in just the right time, if you like your eggs sunny side up, just pop them right into the vessel itself, give them a little bit of a prick, and then pop those into the microwave again, and in a matter of a minute or 2, look at that. The perfect sunny side up egg. And if you love an omelet, but I don't really know how to make an omelet, I can make a scramble, this is great. You just add your protein, your bacon, your veggies, whatever you like in your omelet. Tell me what you like in your omelets. Tell me, I wanna know. Leave it on my Facebook page. I like onions and spinach and tomato and avocado. Always avocado. Eggs and avocado, match made in heaven. Protein for days. Healthy fats, we love it. I'll take you to your colors. It's K99264. Remember, we started with over 8,000 of them. In the red, 250 remain. In the blue, 325. In the gray, 450. And in the green, 4 dozen remain there as well. I feel like, did I make it up that there's a fill line on here? Maybe I just made that up. Look, this is Decor. This is the brand that we turn to for the microwave items. We have the bowls and the soup bowls and all sorts of things that we love. They make the pasta maker, and this is just a new iteration from them. If you love your eggs, this is what you have to have. It makes it a cinch. It makes minimal mess, no real cleanup. You pop it in the dishwasher when you're done. It's K99264, $360 on your 5 easy pays that we're enjoying for our President's Day sale.